children. Yes, today onwards we are going to start our term 2 book. Okay, we are going to start our term 2. What is the date today? 23rd. Yes, we have come to 23rd in November also. Yes, what is the day? Monday. Yes, children, what is the name of the chapter in the term 2? Chapter 8. There also we did fractions. Here also fractions, but it is part 2, children. There we did fractions part 1. Here fractions part 2. Okay. In this part 2, we are going. There we have seen in the last term addition and subtraction of fractions. Here we are going to see multiplication and division. Okay. What about multiplication? Multiplication. How we are going to do multiplication in fractions? Yes. You are going to multiply both the numerators. See, 1 by 2, 2 by 3. Yes, they gave you like this. ఇలా ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఎలా చేయాలి? న్యూమరేటర్స్ కి చేయాలి. రెండు న్యూమరేటర్స్ 1 into 2 by 2 into 3. This is about multiplication. Okay, 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6, like this. Yes, see రెండు ఒక టేబుల్ లో వచ్చినప్పుడు whenever these two numbers come in one table only, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, that is 1 by 3, like this. This is multiplication. Whenever they give you improper fraction, mixed fraction, children, if they give you mixed fraction, how we are going to do mixed fraction? See, 3 2 by 4 into 1 1 by 3, like this they gave you. So first you have to change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. I have said you in the last class. Cheppana last class lo mixed fraction improper fraction loki ela cheyalani. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 by 4 into 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3. Now you are going to multiply numerators, denominators. 14 into 4 by 4 into 3. 14 4s are 4 are 16, 1 4 1s are 4, 56 by 4 3s are 12. Okay. Yes, now again both will come in. 6 2. Ending letters 2 table లో వచ్చేటు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 2 table తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేద్దాం. 2 2s are 4, 1 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 40, 12, 2 6s are 12. That is 28 by 6. Now we are going to write. ఇక్కడ ఎలా ఉంది? మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ లో ఉంది క్వశ్చన్. ఆన్సర్ కూడా మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ లోనే రాయాలి. Yes, whenever they give you question in mixed fraction, you are going to write answer also in mixed fraction. 6 table, 28 by 6. 6 4s are 24. 8 minus 4, 4. So now we are going to write. How you are going to write? 4 first ఇది quotient రాయాలి. తర్వాత 4 by 6. Yes, again 2 2s are 2 3s are, that is equal to 4 2 by 3 also we can write. Okay, అర్థమైందా? Yes, now we are going to do the exercise problems, children. అర్థమైందా multiplication ఎలానో? Now I'll explain division also, then we are going to do exercise. This is about multiplication. How we are going to do division, children? Division. See, they'll give you 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 4. Like this they gave you. First ఏం చేయాలి? ఎప్పుడు డివైడ్ సైన్ ఉంటే we can't divide the fractions. I'll ఏం చేద్దాం? 1 by 3 reciprocal. Reciprocal means what is reciprocal? Reverse of this. ఈ मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन डिवीजन साइन తీసేసి मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन डालना पहले स्टेप. और जब ये डिवीजन साइन निकाल के मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन डाल रहे तो एलों को उल्टा करना. 2 by 4 है ना, तो 4 by 2 लिख लेना. उल्टा करना. डिवीजन के बाद का नंबर करना, पहले वाला नंबर नहीं करना. ఈ సైన్ తర్వాత నంబర్ చేయాలి, ఉల్టా చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ రెసిప్రోకల్. రెసిప్రోకల్ అంటే ఏంటి? రివర్స్ చేయడం. ఏ నంబర్ ఉంటే ఇప్పుడు 1 by 4 ఉందనుకో, రెసిప్రోకల్ ఇస్ 4 by 1 అలా అన్నమాట. yes, then now you have to multiply. 4 1s are 4, 3 2s are 6. okay, now we are going to multiply like this. This is about division. Now we are going to do exercise problems. Go to page number 55. Open your class works. Put today's date. Fresh page, children. Put today's date. Chapter name. Chapter number. Okay. Now start. First page number you put. Page number 55. Page number 55. Okay. What is the first way? Find the product of 6 into 1 by 3. 6 కింద ఏం లేదు. సో వాట్ షుడ్ యూ డూ? ఫస్ట్ రైట్ 6 की कुछ भी नहीं है तो 1 लिख लो. 6/1 into 1/3. ఎలా చెప్పాను? 6 1 जा 6 into 1/1 into 3. That is equal to 6/3. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6. That is 2/1. 2/1 అంటే 1. Okay? Like this. Now, I'll say only 3 sums children. Other one you are going to do by yourself. Now I'll say D1. D1 చెప్తున్నాను వినండి. 11/12 into 3/4. ఎలా చేయాలని చెప్పాను? సొల్యూషన్ 11 into 3/12 into 4. 33/12 4s are 48. Over. Like this you write. Okay now? Now shall I say H1 now? H1 is in mixed fraction. H1 I am saying. See. 8 1/3 into 9/10 children. So how you first change this mixed fraction? Solution, change mixed fraction to improper. Mixed fraction to improper. Improper fraction. Change mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay. What is a mixed fraction? 8 1/3. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1. That is equal to 25/3. Now we are going to multiply. 25/3 into 9/10. Okay? Okay children? See, now 3 1s are 3. Multiplication sign untene cut cheyali. Addition sign, subtraction sign unte cut cheyaddu. Whenever you have only multiplication sign, you can cancel them. Numerator, denominator cancel cheyali. Rendu numerators, rendu denominators ala cancel cheyaddu. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay na? 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. ఇప్పుడు ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? 5 into 3/1 into 2. 5 3s are 15/2. Okay? This is the answer. Come on, write these sums. Now I am going to explain you second bit. Second bit is about division. Yes children, all the other sums you are going to do as homework. Whatever I am saying you to do, you do as homework. If not, you won't get practiced. Yes, మీరు homework చేస్తేనే మీకు ప్రాక్టీస్ అవుతాయి సమ్స్. ఓకే, కాబట్టి హోంవర్క్ చేయండి. రోజు రోజు ఇచ్చే హోంవర్క్ చేస్తేనే మీకు సమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ అవుతాయి. Now second bit children. Second bit is division. See, what should I say? Shall I say B1? 1 9/11 divided by 4/11. Okay, first solution ఏం చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ ఇది మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ లో ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ని ఇంప్రాపర్. చేంజ్ మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ టు improper. Change mixed fraction to improper fraction. First, ఎప్పుడు కూడా మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఉంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇంప్రాపర్. 1 9/11. 11 1s are 11. 11 plus 9 20. 20 plus 11 చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి? 20/11 divided by 4/11 కదా. డివిజన్ సైన్ తీసేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? 20/11 reciprocal of 4/11 is into వేసేసి 4/11 reciprocal of 4/11 is equal to ఏంటి? is equal to 11/4 children. So now write 11/4. 11 1s are 11. 11 1s are 11. 4 1s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So what is remaining? 5 into 1/1 into 1. That is equal to 5/1. Denominator 1 unte it is nothing. Okay? Come on, write this. Now I'll say E1. Shall I say E1? First I'll say C1, then E1. C1. What is the C1? 1 divided by 8/7 children. So solution. 1 division sign తీసేసి into sign. 8/7 reciprocal ఏంది? 7/8. 1 के नीचे कुछ भी नहीं है तो 1 लिख लो. Yes? Now 1 7s are 7, 1 8s are 8. That's over. Now E1. 4 1/2 divided by 8 1/2. First क्या करना? मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में है, फर्स्ट इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन को चेंज करना, चेंज मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन टू इम्प्रॉपर, मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन टू improper fraction, change mixed fraction to improper fraction children. So 4 1 by 2 क्या होता, 4 2 जा 8, 8 plus 1 9 by 2. Then next one 8 1 by 2 बोले तो 8 2 जा 16, 17 by 2. Now we are going to write 9 by 2 divided by 17 by 2. तो अब रेसिप्रोकल 17 by 2 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या है, रेसिप्रोकल is 2 by 17. Now we are going to write 9 by 2 into 2 by 17. 2 1 जा कट हो गए, क्या बच गए 9 by 17 हो गए. Yes children, come on, do this 3. Others you do for homework. Followed? Others you do for homework. Now go to next page, third bit. Go to third bit. Next page, page number 56 children, third bit. Page number 56. Page number 56, third bit children. Here I'll say only 2 sums. 2 are for homework. I'll say A1 and D1. A1, what is the A question children? 3 1 by 2 into 3 1 by 3 divided by 1 1 by 9. Okay, first change them into improper. First step, change mixed fraction to improper fraction. Mixed fraction to improper fraction. Yes, all the fractions are in mixed. So what you are going to do? 3 1 by 2. That is 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Next one, 3 1 by 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. Next, 1 1 by 9. 9 1s are 9. 10 by 9. Now, what is it? 7 by 2 into 10 by 3 divided by 10 by 9. Now what should you do? You have to remove this division sign children. You have to remove this division sign. So 10 by 9. Reciprocal of 10 by 9 you are going to write. Reciprocal of 10 by 9 को क्या आता? 9 by 10 आता. Now we are going to write 7 by 2 into 10 by 3 into डाल देके 9 by 10 डालना. 10 1s are 10, 10 1s are 10. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. अब क्या बच गए? 7 into 1 into 3 by 2 into 1 into 1. 7 3s are 21 by 2 हो गए. लेकिन क्वेश्चन क्या बोले अब तक? क्वेश्चन मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में, तो आंसर भी मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में ही लिखना. 21 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 1 नीचे आ गया. 1 नहीं जाता, 0 लगा के या 0. 2 10s are 20. Okay children, 2 10s are 20. So 1 remainder आ गया. अब क्या लिखना? 10 1 by 2. ये आंसर है. Copy this children. అర్థమైందా ఎలా చేయాలో? Yes. Now other 3 you do as homework. Other 3 you do as homework. Now I am writing fill in the blanks. Write down children. Yes, write fourth bit fill in the blanks. Fourth bit fill in the blanks लिख लो. A वाला 2 1 by 3 into 5 1 by any number multiplied with 0 you get 0 only. Now second one B1 7 by 13. C1 0 again. Now D1. D वाला reciprocal of 5 1 by 3. 3 by 16. Next one, E1, 29 by 4. Now copy fifth bit also, children. Fifth bit also I am writing here. Write down in your term book. Fifth bit also. First one, 1. Second one, itself. Third one, decreases. Fourth one, 1. Fifth one also 1. Come on, write these 2 bits. Yes, complete all your homework problems which I have given you. First bit, second bit, third bit. Yes, and one more. See, in your classwork, write all these points, children. ఈ హెడ్డింగ్స్ వేసి నీట్గా ఇవన్నీ రాయాలి. కనబడుతుందా? ఇవన్నీ ఈ పేజ్లో ఉన్నాయన్నీ నీట్గా రాయండి మీ క్లాస్ వర్క్లో. ఓకేనా? ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ అబౌట్ బోర్డ్ మాస్. ఎస్, ఈ పేజ్ అంతా నీట్గా మీ క్లాస్ వర్క్లో రాయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.